All right, we are getting ready to clean up this yard because they need to do some yard work and we got stuff everywhere. So let's get started. All right, you guys, this is a part of my everyday RV life. When I'm home, you see a lot of my cleaning up videos. We got some errands to run, but we won't do that in this video today. Today, we're cleaning up the yard. The owners, they have been so gracious. They have weed whacked and did the lawn all around us. And now we got to get this stuff up so they can get in and do what they got to do and make the place nice and clean for us. So let's get this stuff cleaned up. And I got a surprise for you at the end on why everything is outside. So don't go nowhere. Let's get to work. Okay, you guys, I'm cleaning this up because she's getting ready to weed whack and come through here and mow the grass. Plus, our neighbors have a motor coach and they had to come out or we wouldn't have been able to get out. This is a part of my everyday life, kind of moving and readjusting stuff. And we had a leak in the camper. And so Cedric is coming home and he's going to fix the leak that we had in the camper that started wetting up our floor and the back room back there. That's why all this stuff is out and underneath the camper. So just another day in my RV life. And let me show you something. That leak ruined all of my stuff. All of it. It's got mold and everything in it. This is all my extra sheets, blankets, winter stuff, pillows, all that stuff. It's got to be thrown away. So this is just a peek into the things that you have to go through as far as an RVer, kind of packing up, adjusting, putting stuff away. And we got a bucket that we need to fill up because our water is off. So we're going to get the bucket, we're going to get it filled up, and we're going to put it in the bathroom so we can flush the toilet, nasty stuff, until Cedric is able to fix it. So we're like almost living boondocking a little bit with no water until he does that. I had to go take a shower in the shower house right over there. Praise God for a shower house. So let's finish getting this stuff up. We're going to walk over and throw this in the trash, and then we'll get inside and fill up our bucket. All right, there's a lot going on around here. So I was going to try to save the bag, but it's got mold and stuff in it. So I'm going to just get rid of it. So much to do. So yeah, let's get over to the trash can and get this bad boy thrown away. We'll probably take the dogs out for a minute, and then hopefully Cedric will be home, and then we can start the video on showing you how we fixed the leak, where it was coming from. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad he's a little bit handy that he can take care of stuff like that, because I'd be in a pickle. All right, you guys, let's get over to the trash can. You hear Pepper Girl over there fussing? She's seen that other doggy. Those are my neighbors. They're heading out for a little bit and they'll be back. They're such a sweet couple. So my house looked like that house next door. The one you're like, oh my goodness, I hope they pick that stuff up. But we can't help it. We had to pull it all out. Yesterday morning I got up, touched the ground, water on the floor. It's heartbreaking as an RVer. But yep, so everything's out the back and on the ground. Goodness, looks a mess. So I know he's probably gonna fix this after she finish mowing, make this elongated so we can still let the puppies out, but that's pretty much it. So let's get this bucket so we can get some water in it, fill it up, take it inside, have some standard water. Okay, you guys, you wanted to see what I do every day whenever we're dealing with a leak. Matter of fact, the leak came from right through that little door. It is I'll show you. It is those pipes right there that are leaking and causing the leak up under my bed. Now, don't ask me how. I think it's spraying up some kind of way, but it's those pipes right there. You see where the tape is, and it's got some moisture and wetness. That is what's happening. And so we're trying to keep it from getting mold and starting something else. So what he thinks happened is when it leaks here, and then it pushes the pressure into the bathroom, right? Because of the leak. Or I don't know anything about plumbing, but I know he was telling me that this leak is affecting the pipes inside of the bathroom, which share the wall space with our bedroom, and that is why the water was coming out on the floor. So he's got to fix here first, and that will fix the leakage that is coming out in the house. So that's why everything is outside that was blocking that, to put it away. So it's just a little glimpse into RV life and the not so glamorous stuff that you have to do. The packing up, the moving, the water leaks. So we're getting ready to go inside, and I'm gonna clean that wall next to my bed with some vinegar so we don't want any mold. It's starting to smell musty from the water, and I can't have that. So we're gonna get in there and we're gonna do that, and then we'll end this video. If you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you do so. Please make sure you do so. The adventure that we have, you don't want to miss it. And we have another video of when our sink busts. You can check that out. Or you can check out any of our other videos that are talking about RV life and some of the things we've encountered, and they will be at the end of this video. All right, let's get inside. Perfect timing. I knew she was coming. All right, you guys. I'm gonna wait till she finishes. We're gonna walk the dogs, clean that rug, and end this video. Okay, I decided since she's out there doing her thing, we'll come in here and clean this up. So this is where it happened. I got this stuff. Cedric got this stuff. I needed cleaning vinegar, but shucks, this is what we got. This is what we're gonna use. So I'm just gonna kind of spray it in here and around the bottom, because this rug is starting to smell quite musty. And then just kind of wipe it down. Because the last thing you want is a musty smell and then stale water. I can still feel a little bit of it down here, but hopefully we'll get this taken care of. But yeah, even if we could sell this, I wouldn't want to sell somebody a problem. Because I wouldn't want somebody to do me dirty like that and sell me a problem. So we're going to do the best we can to keep it A1 while we can. All right. Okay, you guys. Hopefully that'll work. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I am pooped. I could not film and walk the dogs at the same time because I have 2 leashes and they pulled me in separate directions. So we're going to get some lunch, lay down for a minute because our morning has been busy. But I want to thank you for coming along with me. If you're new to the channel and you want to see some more of my RV life, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can get the next video, which is probably going to be Cedric fixing the leak. And he'll probably give you some information for you fellas out there. If you're a newbie, the kind of stuff to kind of look out for, just in case this happens to your rig, you can know where to look. Maybe even know what to do. Who knows? Who knows? My husband's very handy. But subscribe so you can be along with the journey. You can learn some new things. You can see some new things. You can get a glimpse of what my day looks like. And we can grow together. So thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.